Good morning to all. I am D. Savitha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application. Today we are going to see about procedures and functions. First, we are going to see about what is procedure. Procedure is a module performing one or more actions. It does not return any value. The syntax for creating a procedure as create or replace procedure name and parameter as declaration of variable, begin, executable statements, exception handlers, end, procedure name. Exception is an optional. Example of creating a procedure. Create or replace procedure. Procedure name is hello is creating greetings varchar of 20, that is declaration of variable. Begin and end statement consists of executable statements. In executable statements, it displays the value of variable contained in greetings. Next topic is calling a procedure. Two methods to call a procedure. One is directly call a procedure using execute statement. Another method is execute it from another PL/SQL block. Begin hello. Hello is a procedure name and end. Next, procedure contains arguments. Arguments is a value that can be passed to a procedure when procedure is called, and we can specify data type. It consists of three arguments: in, out, in and out. In means the procedure can read an incoming value from that parameter when the procedure is called. Output means the procedure can use that parameter to send value back to what called it. Next one is argument. Argument means the following are the arguments: create or replace procedure. Procedure name means procedure name is increase, and parameters are old price, percent, new price are the parameters or arguments, and new price is the output variable. It stores the value of in argument, that is old price plus old price star percent divided by 100. Next, parameter are the means to pass values to and from the calling environment to the server. There are these are the values that will be processed and returned via the execution of the procedure. There are three types of parameters: in, out and in, out. It consists of formal and actual argument. Formal arguments are the name specified within the parenthesis as part of the header of a module. Actual arguments are the values expressed and specified within the parenthesis as a parameter list when a call is made to the module. The formal argument and the related actual argument must be same and compatible data types. Matching of actual and formal arguments. Two methods can be used to match actual and formal parameters. One is positional notation, another one is named notation. Positional notation is simply association by positions. The order of the parameter used when executing the procedure matches the order in the procedure's headers exactly. Named notations is explicitly associate using the symbol. Formal parameter name implies actual argument value. The named notations, the order does not matter. This is the example of matching actual and formal arguments. Next topic is functions. Functions are the type of stored code and very similar to procedure. The main difference is that the function in a PL/SQL block is written a single value. Function can accept one, many or no parameters, but a function must have a return class in the executable section of the function. The data type of the return value must be declared in the header of the function. The function is not a standalone executable in the way that the procedure is. It must be used in some context. The syntax for creating a function is as follows: create or replace function, function name and parameter list. Return data type is begin, body of the function, and return data type and end. The function does not necessarily have to have any parameters, but it must have a return value declared in the header, and it must return a value for all the varying possible execution streams. The return statement does not have to appear as the last line of the main executable sections, and there may have more than one return statement. A function may have in, out or in out parameters, but you rarely see anything except in parameters. This is the method used to calling the function. Function name in the bracket give argument list. Example, discount current amount. Discount is the function name and current amount is the parameter. Thank you.